Hello guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about SOUNDHOUND AI. So we do see it's at $6.55, down 2.17%. But what is going on with SOUNDHOUND? Is SOUNDHOUND going up for a bullish reversal very soon, a short squeeze? What is the short-term catalyst for SOUNDHOUND? So we do see red in the morning, up quite a bit at $6.80, and then gets pushed down. Right when you see that getting pushed down, there are big players in the market trying to suppress the stock, trying to make sure it doesn't go up, and still making money on the downside. We do see it's about to make a cup, then it gets kind of pushed down again, then making a cup and handle, but we have to see if it's going to start to break out on the handle. If not, it's going to stay around 650 to 660, so we'll have to see. But I wanted to bring up the short interest. So the short interest on July 15th at 41.29% of the public float. Total shares shorted 162.88 million. Days to cover 6.5 days. And $1.05 billion of total short volume. So there is a lot of people, again, trying to push it down. But even at that, it goes from 640. They'll push it down from like 680 to 640, and then it won't really go down any more than what it is. Knock on wood. So the bulls might start to take in charge very soon, and we'll just have to wait and see. But these are kind of the bear cases of SOUNDHOUND. Despite strong top line numbers, SOUNDHOUND is quarterly net loss of $25 million, which is obviously not good. But they are making new partnerships. They are expanding, which will obviously the net loss will get burnt, and then they'll have a net profit very soon. Free cash flow remains deeply negative at roughly $29 million, causing ongoing dilution worries due to a fresh $300 million shelf registration. So obviously dilution is a huge thing for small cap stocks. And bears argue its price to sale ratio of 15.6 times sits way too high compared to the broader U.S. software sector. The bull case, so explosive top-line expansion, revenue growing 52% year over year. Voice assist growth, so they're doing that. Other partnerships, live person acquisition and recognition as a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant provides solid corporate validation and massive valuation. So a lot of people are valuating this stock at $14.93, over 120%. But as I said in my recent video, there has to be more than what the company is giving to us. Wall Street has to digest the news, and that's why there is a lot of short interest, because it is a great stock. It is something that could be explosive in the future, but right now we just have to wait and see. And it could be a huge technical move up, but is it a great company in the longer term? It could go up quite a bit and then just drop like a falling knife again. So another thing I wanted to kind of look at also was the option chain. So January 15th, 2027, you get pretty cheap options for $1.34 to $1.43, and kind of close to in the money. And that would be great if you get a lot of call options or leap call options in the future. You get a lot of cheap ones, and most likely it will go up, especially if they are increasing their revenue over year and making more partnerships. But anyways, I'm just wanting to make a short video. I didn't want to do anything very long. I would say right now, SOUNDHOUND's a hold until the short interest keeps going up higher, or until the bulls start taking more control. On stock trades, people are going off on this, saying like, oh, we're prime for a technical move. Let's go. But another thing you can maybe look at is the dark pool after hours and see who's buying a lot of SOUNDHOUND, and just go from there. I hope you guys have a blessed day. It is Wednesday. We have a few more days in the market. And anyways, see ya.